Hey, what's up YouTube? This video we got the Black Widow key machine, and we're going to be cutting a single-sided GM key to a 94 Buick Century. I used to always use my Blitz for that, but with the S2 single-sided jaw you can do it on the Black Widow. First thing we're going to do here, pull the app up and we'll connect it to the machine, and we're just going to go ahead and hit cars, go to Buick, and it's a Century, and it's a 94, so we're going to choose this one, 6 cut. And you have a code for it, so we'll go ahead and hit code, and that is 04K5. So we'll go ahead and just punch in 04K5 and search, and it'll just pull up the cuts and the ISN here. We'll go ahead and hit OK, and it's going to let us know that it's the B jaw, which is already set up here, and it's a shoulder stop key using a 2mm cutter. So go ahead and we'll grab our B44 and put the camera down real quick, and I'll get it chucked up with the shoulder stop right here. Key is in there. Back to the app here, and I'm just going to hit cut, and got it on speed 6. It's fine. We cut again, and the machine will work its magic here. Let's go ahead and index the key. Yeah, it should be maybe like 2 passes here, and it'll cut it. No deep cuts on that one, so it's 2 quick passes. We'll grab the key, blow the brass off, and there is our ignition key to our 94 Buick Century. If you guys have any questions or comments, put them in the comments, and until next time, we will talk to everybody later.